love our smartphones. We take them everywhere we go. They help us plan our day, keep in touch with friends and family, and for most of us, they even support our workday. But all these fun functions come at a cost. Battery. Don't you just hate it when your phone runs out of battery? Our current solution includes carrying around our power bank, plugs, cables, and everything else we need to ensure we don't run out of juice. Imagine if there was a smarter way to save your precious phone battery from running out all the time. Something lightweight and easy to use. Say hello to Cube. It's the world's first revolutionary power bank that combines 3 features into one compact device: power bank, memory card reader, sync, and quick charging cable. You don't even need your USB flash drive anymore. Cube turns into a memory storage device, and it's compatible with any laptop via the USB port. There's no need to carry around any other accessories ever. Cables are often messy, but not Cube. Simply wrap it in its tuckaway slot, and you're good to go. How really does the Cube work? Well, it's a simple concept. Just plug your Cube into your phone and into the power source. It detects when your smartphone is fully charged and redirects the charge to its internal battery. Unlike your power bank that must be charged separately, Cube automatically charges itself while charging your phone. So you always know that Cube is there for you and will never let you down.
Hi, my name is Krešimir. As every busy person, I was often on the road, and almost every day my phone was running out of the battery in the afternoon. Instead of messy wires and power bank, I wanted to have only one small device that can replace the number of phone accessories I have to carry every day. When we started to think about the Cube, we looked at the existing technology on the market, and we quickly noticed that most of the available devices were not complete and not user-friendly. Together with Pierre, our head designer, we developed the Cube.
We went through several prototypes to find the best design for Cube. A design that is elegant, compact and practical. It was so challenging to put all those functionalities together into a small and cool design with a significant battery capacity. It was something that had never been done before. But we made it, and we're so proud and excited to bring it to you.
Cube is the world's first compact and lightweight device that combines the functions of a power bank, a memory storage, and a sync and quick charging cable. You'll also agree it's one of the coolest looking power banks around. Simply put, it's an amazing piece of technology that we can no longer live without. Let's bring it to the world.
So get yours now and be one of the first Cube owners.
Hi, my name is Mark and I'm responsible for all of the communication between the team at Ring Clock and you, the backers, as part of this campaign. The really impressive images that you've just seen were put together about 2 years ago now by our designer Gustav as part of a competition entry. When these designs went online, so many people were commenting on them, and they were saying that they really wanted to buy this product. They were asking if it was already in production, where they could get one from. And when they found out that it wasn't yet in production, about 4 months ago, we put together the right team to take this product into market. We made a conceptual model, we made 1 or 2 changes just purely for feasibility, and we are in the process of finalising our prototype. So that's where you guys come in. We would really appreciate your help. If you have any questions or any comments, anything at all, please do get in touch with us. We promise to get back in touch with everyone who makes contact with us. But in the meantime, all we can say is thank you very much for helping us make this product into market, and thanks once again for your support. Thank you.
Imagine how we interact with the world. But today, we just mostly poke at the screen. Fingers and hands are incredible. Why are we so limited? Introducing Vela, an innovative device that instantly turns any surface into a smart interface. The world at your fingertips. Once connected, you will be able to control different hardware devices or software applications by using simple gestures. Vela will make your life more convenient. Use it to control music, light, temperature, or any other application you have in your mind. You are only limited by your imagination, and you only need one Vela device to control multiple devices or applications. You can use our presets like letters or add your own gestures according to your preference. Simply assign gestures for different scenarios and switch between them just by moving your hands.
Our human hand is fantastic. They can not only feel, but also manipulate things in a versatile way. The current smartphone technologies are just putting everything into a small tiny screen, which highly limits and constrains the interactive areas of our hands.
Vela works on any surface, so you can clip it anywhere you like, or even design your own control pad. Unlike other devices, Vela gives you tracking and multiple text-to-action features, so you are not limited to just one action, but have different patterns to assign for different actions. It is super easy to use and really works for everyone. If you are a developer, you can try new ideas and figure out different customized applications with our well-designed API. To track the human gestures, Vela uses a special sonar technology that is nowadays widely used in military, cars, and drones. It transmits signal pulses, collects the reflective energy from your finger, and then translates it into the performed action.
Our team has been focused on sensing techniques for a couple of years. We are passionate about making tools which adjust human needs by amplifying human capabilities. Turning any surface around you into a remote control enables many potential possibilities in our daily lives.
We have been seeing lots of products in the market, but we have not found any of them capable to track and to recognize with high portability. With Vela, it tracks your finger with the finest precision and transforms it into customized action. Vela brings magic to your daily life.
Doctor. Thanks for watching my video. My name is Antoine Dossi, and I would like to give you a few more details about myself and side by side. My goal is to make your life easier by using design-focused thinking to improve the most frequently used travel accessories with the best quality possible. After working in the luggage and computer accessories industry for over 9 years, I fully understand the challenges in creating products that are efficient to use and simultaneously fashionable. Let's make a change in travel gear by supporting Side by Side. Thank you for listening.
We'll get there. Hey guys, I'm Madeline and I'm the creator and founder of Double Up. Double Up's credit card size power bank is a rethink and innovative take on power banks today. It has been designed so it can fit into your purse or wallet, integrating into your daily life without the need to carry around a big, bulky and cumbersome power bank. Double Up's goal is to promote our unique design and with all of our features, make your life easier and simpler. Double Up's power bank has been certified by Apple, so for all of you iPod and iPhone users, you can be rest assured that these products will support your device and you will never have to worry about a warning sign coming up on your phone or your iPod saying that this tech accessory does not support your phone. For anyone using an Android, we have you covered. Our micro USB units will ensure that you can charge your phone just like any iPhone or iPod user. Double Up's credit card size power bank was launched for sale in May of 2016. Its exposure on the internet created great interest in the marketplace, and it eventually led to Double Up's collaboration with Future's recording label Freebands, where we worked with them to create a limited edition power bank for sale on Future and Drake's tour in America. Consequently, Double Up has also been advertised in British Vogue and GQ UK. This is just a small snippet of what's to come for Double Up in its future. Whether you're an average, normal, sophisticated, creative or tech-savvy user, we want to reach out to you and ask for your help and assistance to build a relationship with Double Up, to grow our business and promote our products and our message to the rest of the world. Not only will the proceeds be reinvested back into Double Up to create and manufacture new credit card size power banks, but it will also go to investing in new research and development for new tech products that we have created. We want to ensure that these tech products are in line with our values, which is to make your life simpler and easier to use your tech products wherever you are. If you guys want any more information, check out the blurb below. We'd love for you to follow us on all social media platforms. And if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact us, as I'll be responding personally to all of your messages and inquiries.